Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember guys, this is for adults. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest to find all the photos that you want of these videos.
What's up, you guys? This is ZacJacDan with another Every Power Rangers videos. Tomorrow about every Hasbro Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Lightning Collection 30th Anniversary Power Rangers. These are remastered. So on January 17th, 2023, they showed off that we are celebrating 30 years on their fan stream. Nice little image here of the 30-year Power Rangers and their helmets. The first two reviews we had were the Blue Ranger here. You can see remastered underneath Lightning Collection. You do see these are plastic free packaging, but you have extra accessories, extra black stuff effects, and you know the figure himself is here. And there's all the accessories it comes with. He's got the glasses, the morpher, and all that good stuff. Back of that package showing all the accessories it comes with, showing he's 6.1 inches tall. And again, it comes with those effect pieces that you can put down by his feet. The other one we get is the Yellow Ranger remastered, plastic free. Again, with those effect pieces for her feet. Extra hands. This is Trini Kwan. She's showing 5'7". There's those effect pieces at those feet. Not a lot of images for these first two for this first wave.
Alright, so here's our blue and our yellow together with their accessories, and yes, these are remastered and superb. Look at all these accessories, pinless joints, everything looking great. They're there with their helmets on with their effect pieces around their bodies. Here's that first wave of two from the front of the box. You can see 30th anniversary up there. And from the back of the box. Of course, these are plastic free.
But then wave 2 we show now with 3 more figures, the green, pink, and red Rangers, remastered for the 30th anniversary. There's their packaging. So here's the green Ranger, all angles there. He has the effect pieces there. And all these accessories. Got the candle there. Long hair. Up in action here, kicking around. These are pinless figures. Now we have our Red Ranger. Got the armor on the top there, the blast effects on the feet. So you can do it with and without the armor, and you can put that armor on anybody. You can put it on the Green Ranger if you want to. The sword, the gun. Looking really good. And then, like I said, we have the Pink Ranger. She got her bow. Looks really cool. All her accessories, again, the effect pieces on the bottom. These look excellent. In action here. There's those 3 for wave 2. All in package from the front. One side showing 30th anniversary and all the Rangers. The other side showing which specific Ranger this is.
A turnaround shot of the Black Ranger, who is a fan channel exclusive. He's released all by himself. The other ones had 2 the first wave, 3 the second wave, just 1 this last time. So remastered 30th anniversary Black Ranger here with his effect pieces and all his accessories, and again, pinless technology. You see his Morphin there in front of him. Got the helmet on. In battle mode. Maskless. Got the axe. There's the front of that package and the back of it. Again, plastic free. The one downfall of this remastered collection is that these are plastic free. Side of the package there. You see the effect pieces around him plus the axe. Front and back of the figure there, and all the accessories it comes with. And there's the package all around.
But also celebrating 30 years, we also have 2 deluxe figures here. With Mighty Minotaur. Got the horns and the effect piece up there, the shield, the tail on the back there, that's cool. There's his package. Comes with a little putty figure. I shouldn't call it putty, a little figure of him made out of putty. And action there. And we also have Rita Repulsa. Really great face sculpt there. There's her package. There's 2 different head sculpts you can see right there. 3 different head sculpts. There's her figure from the back, got the soft goods cape on her. Those 2 figures are awesome for the 30th anniversary. And how do I know it's 30th? When you check out the package here, you see right there on the left hand side, 30th anniversary. And on the right hand side. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any kind of comments, hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if you ever hit that thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find all the photos that you want of these videos.